Over 1 million people live within a 30-minute drive of the isolated town of Signal Mountain, Tennessee. Few have ever visited this place. I'm Michael Torres. Welcome to this edition of The Poorly Prepared Dayhiker. Our objective today, the base of Falling Water Falls. It's only about a 3 or 4 minute walk to the falls from the parking lot. Getting to the bottom and getting back up alive is far more difficult. As always, we're ill prepared for the adventure, but we do have all the items on the list of one essentials: the cell phone. We're headed down into the gorge. Crikey! Gets even steeper! The head wall could be the most treacherous part of our trail so far. Crikey. The problem is that we've reached a virtual cliff zone. Everywhere I turn, I see nothing but dangerous, slippery slopes. Let's do it. Crikey! She's a beauty. Everywhere I look, rock, water. No way out. Crikey. Well, we've reached a virtual cliff zone. Following this waterfall, about a 30-foot sheer drop everywhere we go. We're going to have to try to go up and around over those cliffs, come down that slope. Expedition came to a halt due to sheer rock cliffs that we couldn't climb down. Now we're having to reclimb virtually the entire mountain, try to get around those cliffs. These 60-degree slopes are a killer. As bad as it was coming up, it's even worse coming down. An hour ago, we were just up at the top of that rock. You know, I think it's an hour, you know, far? We're walking upstream at the base of the waterfall that stopped us. Looks like somebody was a little more bold than we were. I can't believe it was the old knotted rope trick. Can't be more than a half mile from those plush homes up there, but we might as well be in a different world. Crikey! We made it to the waterfall, but just barely. Batteries are running low. We're gonna have to try another route out of here.
I'm gonna kill you. You're doing this to me.
Good hike, hey? Good hike. I say, crikey, she's a beauty.
Crikey, this is a beauty. Yeah.